Ever wonder how to digitally bloom a beautiful lotus right inside Lightroom Classic, transforming any ordinary image into a captivating work of art? First, let's open our chosen background image in Lightroom and make any initial adjustments like straightening or cropping to prepare our canvas. Now, navigate to the Masks panel and select the brush tool. This will be our digital paintbrush for creating the lotus petals. Before we start, adjust your brush settings, moderate feather for soft edges and a lower flow for building up intensity gradually will give us a natural look. Begin by carefully drawing a single, curved shape for one of the lotus petals, then duplicate this mask to create a symmetrical partner. Rotate and position this duplicated petal to mirror the first, forming the initial two outer petals of your lotus. Continue drawing and duplicating more petals, gradually making them smaller and layering them inward to build the intricate structure of the lotus. Refine the shape of each petal, ensuring they overlap naturally and contribute to the overall recognizable lotus form. To add a dreamy, artistic touch, head over to the Effects panel and experiment with the dehaze and texture sliders to give your lotus a delicate glow and subtle definition. For a harmonious look, use the Color Grading panel to tint your highlights, midtones, and shadows with complementary colors, enhancing the artistic mood. And there you have it, a stunning lotus, digitally bloomed in Lightroom Classic, showcasing your advanced editing prowess and creative vision.